In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can recover or reset your password on your PS5 or PS5 Pro. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you still remember your current password, this is obviously the fastest way. What you're going to want to do is go up to the settings here, up in the top right corner of your PS5, and from here go ahead and select users and accounts, and then specifically go into the account setting once it does load for you. From here, choose security, which is the second option, and then go ahead and scroll down until you see password right here. Go ahead and open this up, enter in your current password, and then go ahead and create a new one, just like so. Just make sure your new password meets all the required criteria and re-enter it in to confirm it. Press OK, and your password will be updated. But if you don't remember your password, do not worry, there is another way. Press the PlayStation button on your controller, and then from here, go ahead and scroll all the way over to your profile icon and select it. From here, go ahead and select either the logout option right here or select switch user. And then from here, go ahead and select add user, or just select a user that currently isn't signed into a PlayStation account. Once you are on this page though, specifically go to your settings, then users and accounts, and then select sign in and choose sign in manually, enter in your email address. And then of course, when you get to this password option right here, enter in an incorrect or forgotten password and you'll be prompted to reset your PSN. PlayStation will also send a password reset email to whatever email address you put right here. Open up that email on your phone or PC and follow the steps to create a new password, and it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.